Hey, what if I told you you can totally hack motivation? The reality is motivation is a very, very simple equation. And if you have ever seen anything from me, you know I'm all about the laziest, easiest way to get things done, right? So I like to hack this equation. Here's what it is. Motivation equals desire minus perceived effort. The more you want something, the easier it is to get really motivated to do it. And also, the easier it feels, the easier it is to want to go do it, right? That equation has two pieces, and you can hack both of them. Desire, that's the first one, right? How do you make yourself want something more? For me, ADHD, I can hyperfixate on anything if I get my brain into it. So maybe that looks like deep diving into YouTube and watching people clean their houses until I feel like, dang, I want to get in on that, right? Increased desire, motivation's easy. The other side of that is decreased perceived effort. And this is where the subconscious stuff comes in. How many times have you thought, I'm going to procrastinate on this thing because I really don't want to do it for like weeks, and then you finally get around to doing it and it takes you 5 minutes? Just me? I know you've done it too. Perceived effort is very different than actual effort. And so a lot of times, things that you haven't done before simply are hard. They feel hard. Every single high performer, every single Olympic athlete uses something called mental rehearsal to make things easier. Mental rehearsal, or visualization, or basically what we do in hypnosis, is a way to teach your subconscious mind what you actually want it to be doing. Because as soon as you make it familiar, which can simply be watching yourself walk through something that seems hard, as soon as you make it familiar, your brain knows it's familiar. Your subconscious mind actually doesn't know the difference between something you imagine and something that actually happens. It's literally the same thing. So if you imagine what you want over and over and over again, it becomes incredibly familiar, and now it knows how to do that. They've actually done studies. If you visualize working out often enough and vividly enough, your muscles get toned. Isn't that easy? Such an easy way to get the results you want. So the next time you are having a motivation challenge, ask yourself, can I increase my desire? Can I bring that part of the equation up, making the motivation overcome that perceived effort? Or can I make it feel easier? Can I watch a video that shows me how to do it so my brain's familiar with it? Can I simply just think about what I want, maybe instead of what I don't want? Either way, hijack that process. Stop trying to force your brain to do something it doesn't want to do. Use what it wants to do and let it run.